The International Code of Signals is a standardized system for maritime communication, and its single-letter signals are designed to convey urgent, important, or common messages quickly and clearly, especially when language barriers exist or radio communication is unavailable or restricted. Annex 5 of ICS specifies the visual signaling methods of these single letters signals, which mainly include the following: flag hoisting, signal flags. There are 26 alphabetic flags, each corresponding to a letter from A to Z, with unique colors, shapes, and patterns for easy identification from a distance. Hoisting method. A single flag is hoisted alone on the ship signal's halyard. The position of weight of the flag should be such that it clearly visible to other vessels or more stations. Meaning, each signal flag has fixed and specific meaning. For example, flag A means I have a diver down, keep well clear at slow speed. Flag B means I am taking in discharge or carrying dangerous goods. And flag C means affirmative.
Good day, sir. My name is Martin Jalapomor. My topic is flashing light signaling. Equipment use a signal, lamp, or other suitable light source to emit flashes of light. Code: the letters are represented by Morse code with short flashes representing dots and long flashes representing dashes. The standard transmission rate is about 40 liters per minute. Operation: the sender emits the Morse code corresponding to the signal letters, and the receiver decodes the flashes to recognize the letter and its meaning. Semaphore signaling method using two arms, usually holding small flags or using bar hands to make different positions and angle to represent each letter. Application is it is mainly used for short distance communication between ships or between ships and shore and is suitable for situation where the visibility is good and the distance is not too far. This visualing this visual signaling method are simple, intuitive, are reliable, and can ensure effective communication between ships in various situations, which is of great significance for ensuring maritime safely and navigation efficiently.